Your morning coffee is already feeding you. Most people don't realize it can feed their houseplants too, for free. Save this video and follow for more plant tips like this. You've been throwing away free plant fertilizer every single morning. Use coffee grounds. Most people rinse them down the sink or toss them in the trash. Big mistake. Coffee grounds are loaded with nitrogen, and nitrogen is exactly what your plants need for strong, lush leaf growth. But here's what most people don't know. Not every plant wants them. Use them on the wrong plant and you'll make things worse. Here are 7 houseplants that actually thrive with coffee grounds. Number 1, peace lily. Peace lilies love slightly acidic soil. Coffee grounds deliver exactly that. Mix a small amount into the top layer of soil every 4 to 6 weeks. Don't overdo it. Too much acidity causes yellow leaves. Number 2, snake plant. Hardy plant, low maintenance. But coffee grounds give it a slow nitrogen release that pushes out deeper green color and new leaf growth. Use them once every 2 to 3 months. That's it. Number 3, pothos. Fast grower, hungry plant. Coffee grounds fuel that growth naturally. One warning though, never apply wet, fresh grounds directly to the soil. They compact, trap moisture, and can rot your roots. Always dry them first. Number 4, spider plant. Coffee grounds improve soil aeration for spider plants. That means roots absorb water and nutrients faster. Mix a small handful into your potting mix. Simple. Number 5, African violet. These need slightly acidic soil and a gentle nutrient boost. Coffee grounds check both boxes. You can even steep them in water overnight and use it as a mild liquid fertilizer. Number 6, Christmas cactus. Thrives in rich, slightly acidic soil. 1 tablespoon of dry grounds in the soil once a month during spring and summer. Cut back completely in winter. Number 7, jade plant. Coffee grounds provide slow-release nitrogen and magnesium. Both support strong, fleshy leaves. But jade plants need well-draining soil, so use them sparingly, once every 2 to 3 months maximum. Here's the rule that applies to all 7. Always use used grounds, never fresh. Fresh grounds are too acidic and will damage roots. Let them dry completely before applying. And never pile them on thick. A thin layer or a small mix-in is all you need. Healthy plants start with healthy soil. Coffee grounds feed the microbes and fungi underground that actually help your plants absorb nutrients. That's the part most people miss. Download the Plant USA app for personalized plant care, watering guidance, pest identification, and science-backed tips for every plant you own. Follow for more plant hacks most people get completely wrong.